Hey, what's up guys, it's Marshal again. Welcome to my channel and I'm so delighted to have you here. This is the all new Infinix Hot 10. The device was earlier announced some weeks ago and happened to have one here. It comes with a 3 gig of RAM and a 64 gig of ROM and an advanced chipset, Helio G70. Wow! Infinix is actually taking it to the next level. But before we begin, if you know you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the little icon close to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Yeah. So without much talking, let's dig in. I love the color combination of the box. On opening the box, you welcome with the phone itself, which shows you some of the outstanding specifications on it. Next is an envelope which contains the SIM ejector tools on the opening, a silicone plastic case which fits into the phone perfectly. And this lovely leaflet, I'm going further, is a 5-volt charging brick, your micro USB charging cable, your earpiece, and that's all in the box. The all-new Infinix Hot 10 has a nice feel on hand, although it is made out of plastic, which is not bad because in the case of an accidental fall, you can easily pick it up and off you go, comparable to a glass material which will automatically shatter. On the front side of the phone is your 6.78-inch HD Plus display with a notch on the front for its camera placement. On the right hand side of the phone is a volume up and down with the power button as well. On the left hand side of the phone is a tray for your dual SIM card and a space for your expandable SD card. On top of the device is clear. Beneath the device is where you can find your headphone jack, your speaker grills, and your micro USB charging ports. Then finally, at the back of the device is a quad camera setup with a quad flash as well, and that is where you can find your fingerprint scanner as well. Moving over to the display of this device, the Infinix Hot 10 comes with a 6.78-inch HD display, a 720 by 1640 pixel resolution, which I actually thought and believe that Infinix should have done something better, like giving us a 1080p instead of a 720p on the device. But for its price range, it is okay. When it comes to the general performance, the device is packed up with a 3 gig of RAM and a 64 gig of ROM. But you can also get this in different variants. It comes with a MediaTek Helio G70 processor, which is fast and good for gamers you love, on top 110. And for gamers, this is a budget-friendly device that you so love a lot. It comes with an 8 megapixel front-facing camera for selfie and a 16 megapixel main camera at the rear, 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth, and a low light sensor camera with a quad flash as well. When it comes to the battery department, the phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery capacity, which makes the daily use of the device more long and extend depending on how intense you're using your device. If you're not a heavy user, you can use this battery up to 2 days without going to charge it. But if you're a heavy user, you know what it is. It is what it is, okay? The device is priced for 60,000 naira in Nigerian currency, and that is that. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching up to this point. Please do give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Share your thoughts in the comment section below for me to know what you feel about this device, okay? Please also tell me what device you love me to compare it with, and in subsequent video what you love to see. Let's interact. I want to interact with you guys, okay? Thanks a lot. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button in order to support me a lot, because your subscription keeps me going, gives me the bonus to do this. Thank you guys, and see you in my next one. Peace. Stay safe. Marshall.